Real estate investing can be a powerful way to build wealth over time. While it may require significant upfront capital and ongoing maintenance, real estate investments can provide a steady stream of income, capital appreciation, and a hedge against inflation. In this article, we will discuss the basics of real estate investing, the benefits of investing in real estate, and strategies for building wealth through real estate investments. Basics of real estate investing. Real estate investing involves purchasing, owning, managing, and/or selling real estate for the purpose of generating income and building wealth. Real estate investments can take many forms, such as buying a rental property, investing in a real estate investment trust (REIT), flipping houses, or purchasing a commercial property. One of the key benefits of real estate investing is the ability to generate passive income. Rental properties can provide a steady stream of rental income each month, which can be used to pay off the mortgage and other expenses associated with the property. Additionally, real estate investments can appreciate in value over time, providing capital appreciation. Another advantage of real estate investing is the ability to leverage your investment. This means that you can purchase a property with a down payment and finance the remainder of the purchase price with a mortgage. The rental income from the property can be used to pay off the mortgage, while the property appreciates in value over time. This allows you to earn a return on your investment without having to pay the full purchase price up front. Benefits of investing in real estate. Real estate investing has many benefits over other forms of investment, such as stocks, bonds, or mutual funds. Some of the key benefits of real estate investing include cash flow. Rental properties can provide a steady stream of rental income each month, which can be used to pay off the mortgage and other expenses associated with the property. Appreciation. Real estate investments can appreciate in value over time, providing capital appreciation. Tax benefits. Real estate investments can provide tax benefits, such as depreciation deductions, which can reduce your taxable income. Inflation hedge. Real estate investments can serve as a hedge against inflation, as rental income and property values tend to increase over time. Diversification. Real estate investments can provide diversification in your investment portfolio, reducing overall investment risk. Control. Real estate investments provide the opportunity for hands-on management and control over your investment. Strategies for building wealth through real estate investments. There are many strategies for building wealth through real estate investments, depending on your investment goals and risk tolerance. Some of the most popular strategies for building wealth through real estate investments include buy and hold. This strategy involves purchasing a rental property and holding onto it for the long term. The goal is to generate passive income from rental payments and capital appreciation over time. House flipping. House flipping involves purchasing a property, renovating it, and selling it for a profit. This strategy can be risky, as it requires significant upfront capital and expertise in property renovation. REITs. A real estate investment trust (REIT) is a company that owns and manages a portfolio of income-producing real estate properties. Investors can purchase shares in the REIT, which provides exposure to the real estate market without the need for direct property ownership. Commercial real estate. Investing in commercial real estate, such as office buildings or shopping centers, can provide a higher return on investment than residential real estate. However, it also requires significant upfront capital and expertise in commercial property management. Real estate crowdfunding. Real estate crowdfunding platforms allow investors to pool their money to invest in real estate projects.